Hi guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about everything bookshelves. So I'll be telling you guys how to style and decorate your bookshelves today. But before we get into the video, if you've been looking for a channel that is going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your lifestyle and decor, well, sis, this is the channel for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and make sure you give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. In fact, comment in the comment in fact, leave your comment in the comment section. A lot of you guys always message me, oh Lily, your video was good, look at this, that, but I need it to be in this section over here on YouTube. That way my video gets more publicity. That way my video gets more traffic and YouTube is able to push my video further. That's the reason why I ask for the comments and likes on the videos. But I feel like I've talked too much. Let's get into the video. So styling a bookshelf is basically know the color palette that you're going for. So for this living area, my colors are gray, black, and gold, and a little bit of white. So for the bookshelf, I'm thinking of going more of the blacks and a little bit of gold. Just choose whatever color that you're looking for. And as you can see, my bookshelf is gold, so I literally have to make sure that the gold is not too much because the bookshelf is already gold, so it's not just clashy and just doing too much. The number two things you want to do is know the items that you're gonna put on the coffee table. So usually I use the third room, 1/3 sculpture, 1/3 decorative books, and 1/3 of it should be basically empty. Now yeah, that sounds crazy, but the idea is that you don't want to like over decorate the coffee table. You don't want to basically have too much going on. Let the coffee table have a breathing space, as people will say. Do people say that? But yeah, so don't over decorate. So now that we've decided the items that we're going to be using, the next option is to clear the coffee table. And the next step is to clear the bookshelf. So you want to start off with a clean canvas. So clearing everything is going to give you a better start when it comes to decorating your bookshelves. So you're really able to start from scratch and then work your way up there. Start putting your bigger items on the bookshelves. So I usually start from the bottom to the top. So you want to pick the bigger items on the bottom. So let's say you have your baskets, maybe your printer, you can put that at the very bottom of the bookshelf, and then in the middle, that's where I try to put like the books. So when it comes to the placement of the items, I usually like to make sure that everything is equally balanced. So when I put an item in the middle, I tend not to put the next item in the middle. Maybe I'll put that item on the other left side or the right side and just make sure that it's evenly distributed. Because the idea is to make sure that the items are balanced. Usually what I go with, if my first item in the bookshelf is in the middle, then the last item will be in the middle. That's what I usually go. I feel like it gives it a better balance. And then another thing that you want to do is make sure that you use a repeating item. I think this also helps with making the bookshelf look more cohesive. So in my case, I'm using this beautiful black small vase here as a decorative item. And I'm going to put that beautiful black vase again here. So you see how it kind of ties in with the bookshelf. It makes it look more cohesive. Now you don't have to do this for all the items, but just make sure that you have 1 or 2 repeating items. And then the next step is that you're going to want to look at it, take a picture and see how it looks. Now if it doesn't look evenly distributed and you think that you need to make some further adjustments, then go ahead and make the adjustments. Take a picture and see if you like it, and if you don't, go ahead and adjust it over and over again until you're satisfied with how it's looking now. Another thing that I like to put on my bookshelf are greeneries. Now if you like plants or anything, you can put a little bit of greenery to it to kind of give it some, you know, some life. Another thing that I usually would like to put is a frame. So let's say you have like a picture frame or something that kind of brings a little bit more, it brings a little bit more personalization to your bookshelf. If you have like a picture frame or something, that would look good. I would usually put it in the middle or the back of the bookshelf, and in this case maybe you can put even the picture frame right on top of the bookshelf. But this picture frame doesn't really look good. I like the black and white going on, but I feel like it's a little bit too big. I feel like size-wise it doesn't quite go with this bookshelf, so I'm not going to use this. But this is just to give you an idea of what you want to do if you want to use a picture frame. I think this is the end of it. Remember, put the items that you love, the items that mean something to you. Yeah, and that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.